Hey guys, me Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. That can give an extra volume on an after hours from the dark pools. Would you trust it though? It's a counter trend. I mean, stop fantasizing. This is more viable if it gave a volume. Yeah, I think so. Once again, this volume is like, it's a little bit too big. Mm-hmm. It's a little bit too big. Don't you think? Spy. This really doesn't make any sense. And like, people are closing positions predominantly short, predominantly short, predominantly short. So hence the bounce is very analogical. It makes sense. Waves don't like develop like this, so yeah, this is this. I closed a little, chipped off a little bit of my position on Ford. Ooh, boom, look at what it does. It goes higher. Just because, I don't know. People were long on it though in March. Maybe I'm wrong, but it would make sense to correct in 0.5, which it already did also. Maybe I'm wrong, we'll see. I mean, I'm in position anyways, um, yeah. My thinking is, now this guy, this 2-bar spring should test into the 0.5. It's still counter trend. Is this volume though? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Yeah. If it came here, manipulated this level, touched the monthly level, gave us the volume, I would go all in. But for today, for the end of months, yeah, I closed like some position here. Goes higher and higher and higher. It goes higher and higher and higher. Can it absolutely gap? It can. It can do whatever the heck it wants. And it will add volume on after hours. We'll see. It's not gonna add this much of a volume. No. Or goes here, bounces, goes here, and then boom. Pick it up from here. I was too low on my discipline past month, so I think I still hold. I hold like half position now, so I'm still left with like half of the position. So whichever ways it goes. Look at this guy. Look what it does. My gosh, it's unbelievable. I didn't take this trade. It was like 1-bar reversal. End of the month again. The whole month's been short pretty much. So this level will correct like this. I'm all in position. It's very good that it doesn't close below the level, so it holds this level. And comes to think of it, this was a bearish bar, premature, and take away like 300. So it's 916 because there is like 21st of. So it's gonna close like this. Pfizer looks good. Pfizer looks good. plug. Positive. What a mistake. Alrosa gives us some volume at the monthly level. Magnet. Not really. Okay, Bay. This guy. Yeah, it closes in correction, so this upward trend doesn't really count anymore. Boom. Looks good. Splash of volume on monthly. Volume everywhere. Volume everywhere. Oops. Volume everywhere. Yeah. Maybe that was an accident. No, it wasn't. I'm just saying. This has rake, and then yeah, no. Relax. Now it's a break. It needs daily levels. TNA. Amazon. And yeah, of course, it's like the entire month was down, so you see, that was the last month, last day of the February, after all down, and then March again. So yeah, be careful. This volume is not good, like no bueno. It's down for daily watch. WDC. Good volumes. That's again. Something happened here. Is there a split or like emission or I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this was good. Well, that was interesting. Bigger volume on. That's the biggest volume. Oops. Of the downward correction. This volume was weird for sure. Where is it? Boom, boom. Last day of the month. Things are closing. Oof. People are closing their positions like I just did on Ford. Just for the sake of the end of the month. Just for the sake of the end of the month. Okay guys, hold on. I gotta pick up this one.